Trying to navigate and pinpoint information quickly in a Word document is never easy, especially if you've got lots of pages. Copilot can help you find specific insights for you in seconds so that you can access all the details at the time that you need them, and just makes the whole working with documents a lot less stressful. So I've got my project report for the opening of Copilot Cafe. The report's got loads of great information like budgets and resources, risk management, but it's also got some information about the critical project challenges we face. And I'd like a quick summary of those. So the prompt that I'm going to use today is, what were the critical project challenges in this Word document? Please highlight any important data that supports the conclusions drawn in this document. So I'm going to pop that into my prompt box and press go. And Copilot's going to quickly give me a bullet point list of all the challenges that it found within the document. And this is really helpful for me and a lot easier for me to read. So I've got my critical project challenges here. I can see challenge 1 was find the best location. So they had challenges with high traffic location in London due to high demand and limited availability. Permitting and licensing was a bit of a challenge. Supply chain issues, securing the most reliable suppliers for equipment and ingredients was a challenge. And then staff training. And I can click on the button there and it tells me exactly where in the document it got this information from. So really quick way of finding all the conclusions from that document. Well, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, don't forget to check out our next tip. Until next time.
Welcome to the Copilot Cafe. Join Joe for a 10-minute stay. Learn new tips every day with demos that light the